Wow! No! Come on. Oh! What is up, boys? It is Space Wizard and my boy Juan. We are back for another low tier versus. How you feeling, man?
Well, I'm excited. You know, I've been meaning Vidal buffs, man. She needs them.
Vidal buffs.
And I'm trying to see. I'm trying to see if she's useful now. If she's in the game. I mean,
we both got Gogeta on the team.
Yep.
I'm playing Roshi. Oh,
we got the local beam.
Okay. Oh, blocking aerial. Nice. Get over. Come on, see assist. Oh, damn. Wow, just smashing the auto combo. Okay. We're good, we're good. There we go.
Oh,
the low, the 2L. Put him down. Oh. Okay, I should have known.
Oh.
No problem. No. Okay, it is a problem. Oh, I thought Gohan was coming out. I thought Great Saiyan, man. Where was he? Bruh.
The fact that wall bounces.
It's pretty good. Okay, I'm out of here. There we go.
I forgot the DP input.
Oops. What is your DP input?
X back.
What? Oh Jesus. Where's the beam? Where's the beam?
Oh, the beam! Oh, counter.
Come on, son. Oh no! There we go.
Shit. I got caught sleeping.
Okay, we're just gonna not mess it up this time. Last time I did. And I might have to level 5 you right here.
Level 5 you.
Bring it, bring it. This looks so good. Oh man.
Yeah? They put a lot of time and effort into it.
Yeah, they put a lot of time and then made him low tier.
Yep. They're like, let's give him Rekkas, let's give him a command grab, let's give him beams, and he's still garbage.
Okay. Oh wow, that's somersault. Wow. Okay. Hold up. That was cool. Oh damn it.
Whoa.
Get him out of— oh, the good background. Oh, Jesus. Ooh. Oh, bring it to me. Bring it to me.
Unoptimal.
Oh, sorry. Sorry. Unoptimal. Man, are you
Bro,
sleeping during my combo?
Bro, I'm not dead after getting 2-ins by Gogeta. Bro, I could do that without. I could do that amount of damage without having to rely on.
A level 2? Oh, excuse me, man. Excuse me. Oh, damn. There we go. Get him. Bring him to me. Put him on the ground.
Give this boy everything.
Go. Go.
What? Huh?
Let's go! Gogeta and Roshi, ragtag duo. Oh jeez. Was he running away? Did I see him run away?
I wouldn't know.
Come on. Ooh! I thought you were coming in. Wow! Wow. Am I dead off of it? Yeah, I gotta be dead off of it. Sucks. Goodbye, Roshi. Glasses
That combo
off.
wasn't the spirit bomb.
That combo wasn't the spirit bomb?
Yeah, if you do it right. You have to do a somersault though.
Oh.
And I did it just.
There you
I don't know
go.
why I did it.
Don't know why I did it.
Yes,
Just felt right. Just felt a little right.
yeah.
Oh, the UI. Oh no, Beerus isn't on here. This isn't the UI team.
I mean, let's just assume that Gogeta has UI.
Ooh. Come on, son. Oh, we're good, we're good. Just poke him. I wanted to poke him again. Oh, gee. Over again. Block. No. We're... Jesus. That catches your butt.
Catches a lot of things. They made it a lot. They made that move faster.
Wow, not nice. Boom. Got him.
Is that what it feels like?
Yes, that is what it feels like. Where's Roshi? Muten Roshi! Roshi didn't come out and do his come out. Okay.
Whoops.
Oh, nice. If only.
That's another reason why I think Vidal is weaker. She actually has mid-range game. Something that Bozo lacks. He really, really lacks. I mean, she can go coast to coast.
Oh no. Okay. Wow. The jump. No. Try to read it. Try to get it. No way. The damage. We're good. We're good. We're not good.
Who's good?
We're not good.
And, bro, I could have done loops off that if I were, you know, a good player.
Alright, man. Here it comes. Yes. Ooh, okay, vanishing.
Whoa, yes.
Wow.
Mr. Old Reliable.
Give me that.
Oof, I thought I was plus there. Nah. That's what we're talking about.
It's the
Bozo clown. Yeah.
But they like Gogeta.
Yeah, they're both really fun characters. I actually did a really good job at buffing them I think for halfway into the season patch. This is really good.
Yeah, it's a really good buff, or not buff, but like patch. Oh Jesus! Oh
yeah.
Man. I'm just glad they didn't nerf UI. Nice.
The man got away with murder.
Murder.
Murder, yeah.
No way.
They went through the trouble of looking, they went through the trouble of scouting the NLBC and House of Chaos people, and they still didn't realize, this guy Nitro Bros is literally winning tournaments off flips just because no one knows what to do. But nah, let's not nerf him though.
As they should. Oh wow, that should have been it. As they should.
I was mashing there, man.
Oh,
yeah, but this
killing. Damn.
Deserves some major nerfs.
Ooh, Gogeta.
I don't know, but I feel like he should get touched a little, but I don't know what in God's green nerf they were thinking when they didn't buff Zamasu.
Dude, Zamasu Goku Black. Beautiful.
They didn't touch him.
As they should. Stay down there. Goku Black is one of the most hype characters in all of the series.
And they didn't touch him. And they didn't touch Zamasu. I don't know why. Why? Kid food. Nope, don't touch him.
Nope, we don't care.
Fine.
He's fine. He's chill.
You know what Gotenks needs? He needs loops.
He needs some buffs, dude. We need to buff Piccolo. And Frieza? Nah, he can stay right there. He can stay right there.
That bitch? No one plays villain.
No one plays Frieza anyway. Come on.
Yeah, no one plays that clown. They just buff Vidal because there's too many horny dudes that just want to play the game.
That reminds me of somebody.
Oh.
Watch this.
I wonder who that is.
Jesus. Come on.
Oh wow. It's the only thing I don't like about that is that it just looks too much like Reflect.
Yeah, it looks a lot like Reflect. Ooh, I thought I missed it. It looks a lot like Reflect. It's not that it looks like Reflect, but the way he stands, it's the same way for his animation. Oh, come on. Oh, Jesus. Oh, what? If I would have known I got that. Okay. Oh, Jesus. Oh, we're taking those. We're taking those.
That was not supposed to be a DP.
Oh, nice. Get it off me. Get it off me!
That's so, bro. Okay, he might have the best jab in the game.
Oh, yes. We take those. Thank you for that. Kamehameha breakfast. Ooh, oh, there we go.
Oh, I held it.
That's
You got lucky.
Oh, who got lucky? Oh no.
You got lucky.
Oh, nice. I thought I could throw an M out. Just trying to see what I could do. Then I'm dead for it. And I'm dead for it.
That was really bad.
No. Not level 3.
Yeah. Just had to do it to show what would happen if you had tried to fight Tito.
That would not happen. No, shut up.
He would lose. He
would not lose. How would he lose? Did you see what he did tomorrow? Oh jeez. Give me that.
-5. Like, at least make it so that you can reasonably. I'm telling you, bro, you still have some of the same issues. Just make it so you can at least, like, you know, if they don't mash like immediately, you can still kind of win.
Yeah, I could get that.
Like -2 or -3.
Yeah. Oof, Jesus. Yeah, if they gave him that the beam into the Rekka, and that, you know, have you positive on block without assist. Oh, I was pressing a button. I knew she would have just. Come on, man. Oh, that's fine.
I was supposed to do that in front of the viewers.
You're not in front of the viewers. Oh no!
Oh, I page 2.
Come on, son.
Shout out to the Hex Bro.
That's cool.
Teaching.
Come on, bring it to me. Oh, I'm shooting it that way. I swear. Okay. Wow.
Yeah, intentional. I wasn't mashing.
It should have been mine.
And this should be the yes. Wasting your spark.
Yeah, wasting the spark. Oh. Oh, got it. No, that caught it. Come on. No, won't kill. Won't kill. Wait, does that hit? Absolutely not. As it should. Oh no, please don't do it. Don't kill me. You know you don't want to. Oh, wait, no! I tried so hard. And where did it get me? Nowhere. Smoked.
Yeah,
how could this be?
Let me get
Rolando, keep in mind that whatever you say.
Let me get him a fucking Travi Patty.
Very good character. But on the other hand, garbage.
Garbage. Oh.
Ah, damn! I keep on pressing it 3 times instead of 2.
Where do you think Roshi's gonna end up on the tier list?
Hard to say.
Yeah, it's very hard to say right now. Ooh, come on! No. Nice.
Oh damn! I was trying to vanish out of there. I didn't want to deal with it.
Understandable.
I'm waiting for a Silkshot Gaming's what to do on block video.
Oh jeez. Come on. Oh, I thought it would mix. Jump!
Mix.
Oh no. Oh!
Oh, what counter?
Poke him, Roshi. Get him out of here. You don't want to. Oh no! Okay, Roshi, you gotta do something different.
Get an actual character.
Oh wow! That wasn't my 2H. Nice. We love C assist here. All my homies play C assist. So does this always get out the next character? You can't pick?
Wow.
Wow. I should have confirmed. Ooh, no. There we go. No, the overhead got me. Hey. What you doing? Oh, wow. Here comes. Oh, no. Damn it. Damn it. Trying to catch you jumping. Trying to catch you jumping.
Not in my war.
Come on.
Yo. Make a shit fast.
Oh, shoot. I thought I could combo.
Oh, wow.
Nice. Oh my god. These stray hits.
Oh, Janembo, why? Crazy.
Come on. Boom, boom, boom. Oh,
Red.
the mix.
I don't know if you did that on purpose or not, but I'm sorry.
It wasn't totally on purpose, but once I saw myself in the air, I decided, okay, I'll do this. Oh, Jesus. Oh, nice. You take these. Block! No! Nice. Oh, damn it. I thought I got you. I thought I had you.
That shouldn't lose. That shouldn't lose to mashing, but it does.
Savage.
Fucking garbage ass character.
Mashing is pretty important.
Ooh. Here's the spark. Come on. I'm already gonna let you know. This is sparking time.
No, I didn't.
Ooh. He's done. That's a dead character. Cap. I'll use all 3 bars here. Please skill. Please skill.
Yeah.
No. Don't say cap. Don't say cap. Why? No. Oh, Jesus. If she never makes it. Come on. No. No. You take those. Okay.
Damn it.
Just Vidal.
Oh boy, Vidal anger.
Bow! No! Come on. Oh! We take those! Let's go. That was too good. Okay, I'm gonna end it right there. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you to Juan for the games. Always really fun. Get yourself a Travi Patty, please. They're really good. I haven't tried them, but they're good. And Cactus Jack told you to go. I hope you had a
Keep in
great
mind
day.
that Chris will only play weird teams if he has the top tier in it. I.e. you, I go.
Hey, 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 hey.